80% of heart attacks could be avoided if everyone did these 5 easy things. According to the latest statistics, there are more than 1 million death cases per 1 year in United States, which are caused by cardiovascular diseases and coronary artery disease, CAD, which can cause a heart attacks. Heart attacks is the most common cardiovascular disease. And the medical experts say that almost 920,000 Americans may have heart attack this year. The heart attack usually happens when there isn't any blood flowing to certain parts of your heart, and the most common cause is artery blockage plaque. The plaque is built up inside the arteries, and it creates a blood clot which can block the blood flow. You can prevent heart attack by changing your habits and your lifestyle. One of the most common causes for heart attack is the modern life and fast lifestyle. Well, the good thing about this is that it can be prevented. The Kai Karolinska Institute has found that if men change their lifestyle, and if they do these 5 healthy habits, they will reduce the risk of heart attack by 80%. 5 healthy habits that can prevent heart attack: don't smoke. Eat healthy. Stop consuming alcohol. More physical activities: cycling or walking 40 minutes a day, and exercising 1h every week. Healthy circumference of the waist. Healthy diet. You should always avoid sugar and sugary stuff, refined carbohydrates and processed foods. You should know that the saturated fats found in foods like eggs, butter or lard are not that bad for you. These saturated fats impact the LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. This LDL cholesterol is related to all heart diseases, and there are 2 types of LDL cholesterol particles: low-density LDL cholesterol, high-density LDL cholesterol. The high-density LDL cholesterol is not harmful at all. But you should be careful, because the low-density LDL cholesterol is harmful, and it can cause a plaque buildup. You should also know that refined sugar, bagels, bread, and soda increase the low-density LDL cholesterol as well. You should avoid processed fructose, sugar and grains. You should replace the grain carbohydrates with more vegetables, high-quality protein sources, high-quality healthy fats such as butter, raw dairy, organic pastured egg yolks, coconuts and coconut oil, avocados, organic nut oil, raw nuts, grass-fed meats, etc. You should balance omega-3 to omega-6 ration, because omega-3 deficiency can cause many different health problems, physical and mental. This is why you should avoid most of the vegetable oil and consume oily fish, such as anchovies, sardines, or take high-quality krill oil. You should also eat lots of fruits. Fruits are very powerful and beneficial source of vitamins, antioxidants, minerals and other phytochemicals. Most of them have powerful anti-inflammatory and heart-healthy effects. The medical experts claim that people who eat fruit every day have 40% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, especially the sweeter fruits. You should follow these 2 simple rules. People who are leptin or insulin resistant, diabetics, overweight and people who have high cholesterol or hypertensive should limit their fruit intake. The fructose intake shouldn't exceed 15 grams per 1 day. And the other people, with normal weight, not diabetic, hypertension, regular physical activity, should consume fruits every day, especially after exercising. In this case, their body will use this sugar as a body fuel, and it won't increase the blood sugar levels. Diabetes drugs. Have you ever heard of metformin? Well, this drug is one of the most common drugs for diabetes, and it's related with increased risk of low levels thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH. So, when this hormone is very low, it can cause some serious damage to your body, including cardiovascular problems, atrial fibrillation, which can cause congestive heart failure. According to a recent study, when you treat type 3 diabetes with prescription drugs, you lower the glucose levels in your blood, but you increase the risk of death from heart-related diseases significantly. Beta blockers and scientific misconduct. Well, the beta blockers block the neurotransmitters epinephrine, adrenaline and norepinephrine from binding to beta receptors. These blockers are useful in treating patients who need to undergo a non-cardiac surgery. According to the latest statistics, almost 800,000 deaths in Europe only cause of the beta blockers. You need to protect your heart. You need to reduce stress and anxiety. Avoid too much sitting. You should avoid statins because of the bad side effects. And its benefits are questionable as well. You should consume more unprocessed saturated animal fats. Don't consume sugars, including grains and processed fructose. You should exercise a lot, weightlifting, high-intensity interval training, core work and stretch a lot. You should improve your vitamin D intake. Go out on the sun, or just take vitamin D supplements. You can walk barefoot so you can get some powerful antioxidants from the earth. These antioxidants are transferred through the free electrons, which will relieve inflammation throughout the entire body. It's not that difficult. All you have to do is change some habits and improve your diet. You will notice the results immediately. You will feel much better, and you will be full of energy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.